Everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another workout from series Bikini Body. And today we're gonna focus on our booties and our core, on our abs. It's gonna be a very gentle exercise program, and it's gonna be also low impact, so no jumping, no cardio. It's just 16 minutes of focused exercises on our glutes, legs, and of course our midsection. So for this workout you're not going to need any equipment, just your exercise mat and some kind of obstacle. I have a yoga block here. You can also have a book or a bottle of water will also work. And basically that's it. So now we'll do a slight warm up and let's do this workout together. Okay, I hope you're ready. I have my timer set here for 45 seconds for the work interval and 15 seconds of your recovery. So I hope you're ready and let's do this workout together. So I'm going to press it now at the start. Okay, the first one we're going to be touch down into the squat. So your stance is a little bit wider. You're just going to pivot the back foot, touch down with a straight back. You're going to go into the squat. We're just moving in one direction, one side, back is straight, okay, and really go low, right, good. So it's only one leg is moving, doing the lunges, okay. The other one is basically kind of static, but you will still feel the burn, especially in this leg. Okay, abs pulled in, back straight, try to touch down. If you can't touch down, no worries, just touch your knee. Good. Alright, so now we're going to do the same exercise on the other side. Okay, also make sure that both of the feet rotate in the same direction to protect your knee. Okay, abs tight, shoulder back and down, and we go. So pivot, touch down, and squat. Touch down, squat. Good. Abs engaged. Back is straight. And just observe your body. You should start feeling now in the leg that is not really moving much. Good. Go slow and controlled. Alright, wonderful. Okay, now next one. We're gonna have exercise for our core. Place an obstacle in front of you and we're gonna just move our legs above and over the obstacle. Lean a little bit backwards. Activate your core. You can have your knees slightly bent or extend your legs. Lean a little bit backwards. Your core is activated. Breathe. You also feel it in the hip flexors. Abs engaged. Wonderful. Okay, next one we're gonna use the same either book block or you can use even a weight if you want to. So it's an A-frame ab exercise. So we're gonna lean backwards. You're gonna go up and then lean to the other side. Go up and extend your body. Lean up to the other side. You can also lift the legs up, but in this case just make letter A with yoga block. If you want to put the feet down, then you can come up, extend your body. It's up to you, whichever variation is better for you. Good job. As long as you're keeping your core tight, it should work just fine. Okay, next one. We're gonna come back up. We're gonna do 3 times curtsy pulls into the squat. Okay, only one side. So we go to the curtsy. 1, 2, 3. Front squat. Down. Good. 1, 2, 3. Squat. The same leg. 1, 2, 3. And squat. 1, 2, 3. Squat. Go low. 1, 2, 3. Squat. Good job. 2, 3. Squat. Okay, one more time. 2, 3. And squat. Okay, the same exercise on the other side. We have a lot unilateral exercises today. It's low impact, but still you're gonna feel the burn. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, center squat. 1, 2, 3, squat. 1, 2, 3, squat down. And again, 1, 2, 3, it's burning. 1, 2, 3. Every exercise with the pulses. Woo. It's burning. 2, 3. Squat. Again. 1, 2, 3. Woo. Squat. 1, and then just squat to finish. Okay, good job. Alright, next one. We're gonna do abs, and again with a little bit of stretching, which I added, which is really good opportunity to stretch a little bit. Go to the plank. We're gonna do the reptile tuck. You're gonna go down to the pike, and then the same need as went to the reptile. You're just gonna touch your toes, and down the other side. Reptile, touch your toes. Forward, reptile, go back, touch your toes. Touch. 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 You can also touch your knee if you cannot reach so high or so far, I mean. Okay, next one. We have 1 bridge leg pulses. Okay, we're gonna alternate the legs. Lift up and we go. So 1, 2, 3, and do a toe touch, and then the other leg. 1, 2, 3. Both legs up. Toe touch. Down. 1, 2, 3. Toe touch. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze your glutes. Toe touch. 1, 2, 3. Toe touch. 1, 2, 3. Toe touch. All right. Okay. Next one, we have 4 times heel touch and 4 times into the bicycle touch. So you're gonna go on your back, lift up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your feet together and your elbows really wide apart. Extend your leg. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, wonderful. All right, next one, we're gonna do donkey kick on one leg first. You can also go on all fours here, or you can go on your elbows. I prefer here doing this exercise on my elbows and just heels up and squeeze and go down and really squeeze. If you have ankle weights here, this is really good exercise to do with them. And really squeeze. You can pause for a second, pause and squeeze. Okay, heel is pointing up into the ceiling. Good, abs are engaged. Very good. Keep it up. Okay, you can go to child's pose. Take advantage of a few stretches in between those exercises. This will only help you. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and the other side. Really squeeze it. Very good. Focus on the glutes. Abs engaged as well. Your hands can be here, it can be here. Very good. Keep on going. You don't have to rush. Okay, it's a low impact exercise or workout. It's suitable for everybody. Okay. Alright, so next one, again for your core. We're gonna go into the star position for the star abs. So your legs are wide apart. You're gonna lie down, arms also apart, and extend one arm, touching the toes, go 3 times. Good, now change it. Up. 3. The other side. Up. Try to have your leg extended and also extend your arm behind you. This will give you a full range of motion for your core. Good. 1, 2, 3. The other side. 1, 2. One more. 3. Wonderful. Okay. Alright. We're still down in our ab. Okay, so we're gonna go into the side. Here we're gonna do knee hug. Good. And then we're gonna do extended touch. Good. So knee hug, then extended. If this is too much, just keep on doing the exercise with the hug knees. It's like a side jackknife. This one is actually really intense, especially for your abs. You'll feel the burn. And switch sides. Okay, we're nearly there. 3 more minutes and we're done. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, and we go. So knee hug, jackknife. Slow and controlled. You can also speed out. A little bit more. So next one, we have back lunge to side lunge with the knee ups. Okay, so choose one leg. We're gonna do back lunge, okay? Knee up, side lunge, knee up. Okay, there you go. Step to the side, knee up, back, knee up, side, knee up, back. Abs engaged, especially with the knee up. You have to keep the balance. That's why I added, yeah? So you can also pause it, control it. Okay, and we have the last exercise. This one is on the other side. Shoulders back and down. Big step back, and there we go. So back, knee up, side, knee up, back, knee up, side, knee up, back, back, back. One leg is always a little bit more balanced than the other one. And just finish. Knee up. Alright, here we have it. Let me just stop the timer. And yeah, so 16 minutes of very gentle, low impact booty and ab exercise. It's perfect for your recovery days, for your rest days as well, because it's just like very beginner friendly. Also, if you have any knee issues, jumping issues, this workout is just perfect for you. And yeah, especially now, if all the gyms are closed, you can just do this workout from the comfort of your home. And yeah, wherever you are in the world, please stay safe and isolate yourself as much as you can. And if you are infected, please, I wish you only the best and speedy recovery. Alright, till then, till next time, and I see you with some other workouts. And of course, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my videos and so on. And keep training, keep on smiling, train hard. See you next time. Ciao.